BK Bajoria School hosted a maths festival titled Mathematical Marvels, a Festival of Numbers, Shapes and Patterns on Thursday. Students from various schools participated in this vibrant celebration of numerical exploration and problem solving. The Maths Festival showcased the beauty and versatility of mathematics through engaging activities, games and captivating exhibits. The event igniting curiosity and enthusiasm for mathematics among students who delved into various branches of mathematics from algebra and geometry through probability and beyond in a fun and accessible manner. The engaging activities and experiences instilled confidence and curiosity in the students, laying the foundation for lifelong learning and achievement. In the cricket